So in the past, people had to do most of their tasks completely on their own, like writing long documents, searching for information, creating images, or solving problems by spending hours researching or calculating. So today, with the help of artificial intelligence tools like ChatGPT and other language models, much of that work can be done faster and more easily. But to get the best help from AI, we must know how to ask the right questions or give the right instructions. So this is where prompt engineering comes in. It is a smart way of talking to AI that helps us understanding exactly what we need. So this simple skill has made many types of work easier, quicker, and more productive than before. Now let's see how to turn complex tasks into simpler instructions using prompt engineering. So prompt engineering helps us break down big or difficult tasks into clear and easy steps for the AI to understand. For example, if we want the AI to write summaries of a report, explain a scientific topic in simple terms, or write a short email in a polite tone, we can guide it using the right prompt. Before prompt engineering, we might have spent a lot of time in writing, editing, or searching for the right words. But now, with a well structured prompt, we can get a helpful response in just seconds. So, this makes everyday tasks much less stressful and allows us to focus more on reviewing or improving the results rather than starting from zero. And also, prompt engineering helps to reduce repetition and it also helps to avoid mistakes in the output that we get from the AI model. So, one of the biggest ways prompt engineering makes work easier is by reducing the number of mistakes and repeated steps. Often, when we use general or unclear prompts, the AI gives a response that is not we were hoping for. So then we have to rewrite the prompt again and again. So this is frustrating and wastes time. So prompt engineering teaches us how to write prompts that are specific, complete, and easy to understand. When we use this skill, we usually got the right answers on the first try or with very little adjustment. So this prompt engineering helps us move faster and finish our task with less effort. And also another big advantage of prompt engineering is that it helps people who are not experts to do work that normally requires a special knowledge. For example, a student who is not at all good at writing can still create a well structured essays or using prompt engineering. And also a business owner who is not a designer, even he can also generate creative image ideas. So this is possible because prompt engineering helps them communicate better with AI, telling it what to create, how to create, or what kind of help is needed. So in this way, prompt engineering acts like a bridge. It connects regular users with the expert level capabilities of AI, making many tasks easier for everyone, no matter their background. In both creative and technical jobs, prompt engineering speeds up the process of thinking, writing, coding, designing, and explaining. For creative people like writers, marketers, and artists, prompt engineering helps to generate new ideas quickly without getting stuck. For technical professionals like software developers, it helps them to generate code, to find errors, or to understand complex problems faster. So, what used to take hours of manual work can now be done in minutes. So this helps professionals meet deadlines faster and gives them more time to focus on important decisions, planning, or improvements. So prompt engineering also supports better decision making by helping us to get more useful information from AI. Instead of reading dozens of articles or struggling to understand data, we can ask the AI in a smart way to compare, explain, or suggest ideas. So this makes our decision making process faster and more confident. Whether it's making a business plan, preparing for an exam, or exploring new ideas, prompt engineering helps us to use AI as a thinking partner. So, this makes work not only easier but also smarter and more effective. So, let's summarize what we learned in this particular video. So, prompt engineering turns complex tasks into simple AI instructions. So, it reduces repeated effort and mistakes. It helps non experts to perform expert level tasks. Prompt engineering speeds up the creative and technical process, and also it supports smarter and faster decision making. So in the next video, we are going to see how to master prompt engineering, and we are going to conclude this section.